So, first impression is a good one. This city, but I've noticed today two kids walking and a huge tree and hello everyone, I am on the way to a town in Germany. It's called Lichtenfels, and I will go there by car, and after that I will explore this town by foot. I will walk there, and I'm also surprised. I was there just one time, very long time ago. I was with a friend of mine. He bought a car, but should be more than 20 years, I guess. So let's see what hides this beautiful town in Germany, and see you there. So here we are. I found a place to park my car here, and now I will walk through Old Town. Let's see and find out together. Enjoy. So, first impression is a good one. I really like it, this color of this beautiful house. How I see here, it promises to be a very deserved town to be visited. A tower here. Today it's Sunday, spring, and it's a really beautiful day. Last week was in Germany Easter, and that's why the German people decorated like this. The tower from the other side, and this one, it's a wine house. Probably delicious wine. Now it's closed. This is a iron decoration. I don't know exactly what it is, but it looks beautiful. Yeah, and today it's not so crowded, the city. I see from time to time people walking, and some bicycles and so on. So I think I will come back to this town again with my bike and explore again this town by bike. So if you don't want to miss any other adventures of me, just subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see beautiful bird. And here some directions, just as a decoration. This kind of houses you will see a lot in Germany, with old material and forest. It looks so beautiful. So in front of us is a school, and what I really like it in this city is these colors from houses. I really enjoy it. And here another decoration, two kids walking, and a huge tree, and behind of this tree it's the church. And here also the church, view from the another side. And this is a little path to go there. In the reality, the church is huge. I don't know if you can see. I guess in the phone it looks a little smaller, but it's really huge in the reality. Yeah, it's a German architecture. I guess it's over 200 years old. And here we have a coffee bar history and a tower with a clock. This tower is not so huge, but it's also old architecture and really nice decorated the wall nearby this tower. And now I discovered another building. It's not the parliament building, it's a school, but I don't understand why Mädchenschule. That means in English girls school. This is a school just for girls? I have no idea. If you know what is going on with this building, please let me know in the comments. So Old Town, it's over. It's so small, and now I discovered another area also nearby Old Town, and these buildings and architecture to me is so impressive. I really enjoy to walk through this town or city. Old houses here with huge balconies. Old architecture. I really like it. I really like it. So thumbs up for this city, Lichtenfels. nice restaurant, but I've noticed today almost everything is closed. So I don't starving yet, but I just had a meal, but I'm not sure if it will be enough until the evening, but I will stop somewhere and buy some fast food or something like that. So I've been walking since a while right now, and I saw some bus stations, but what I didn't see, it's a bus passing by. No bus. Maybe they have day off today on Sunday. Possible. Everything seems to be closed on Sundays here in this town. I have a suggestion for you. Take some water with you, some food. I have just a bottle of water, but that is enough. I will survive, no problem. So this is the area, it's this city, it's ending here, probably just a couple of supermarkets. So I will go back. Passing through this passage, you will go back to Old Town. Are those houses not cute? Please let me know your opinion in the comments. I see a lot of decorations here. Everything's so cute. Look at this beautiful. This city is really like a fairy tale, for sure. Everywhere here you can notice decorations. Everything's so fine. Just look at this house. This is a electricity house, something with electricity, and they painted so nice. So we human beings, we really love it to live in huge cities, noises and so on. But sometimes we really need peace and calm our mind. So if you have a feeling on one day being so calm and keep your mind so calm, just visit this beautiful city in the heart of the Germany, Lichtenfels. I'm very good impressed of this city. So, and I found it open restaurant here with nice decoration. So here can you have meal, drink something, and so on. So the food was there very delicious, but I took another decision. One meal over 30 euros. Maybe I'm stingy, I don't know, but I decided to have here a pizza for around 10 euros. So now I have another problem. They open at 4 p.m. and now it's 10 past 3 p.m. So I have to walk another 50 minutes and then I will come back and have a pizza for 10 euros. So if I see these flowers, I can back on the time. Those are flowers of my childhood. City, it's absolutely not crowded, but what makes him so alive are these colors of these houses. Yeah, and right now it's a moment I've got a lot of people at the same time on the same place, but it is really first time what I see that today. You see, everything was so chill, almost no people on the streets, and all of a sudden so many people, so many cars at the same time. And look at the corner, I walked at the corner and 3 minutes later it looks like this. Yeah, but I really appreciated this town. It's a fairy tale, how I told you before. Really a fairy tale. Thank you so much, Lichtenfels. You are so beautiful. So, dear audience, I just walked through this town, Lichtenfels. My impressions, it's a good one. I've enjoyed to walk through this town. It's a lot of history here, old buildings. I really enjoyed. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions for future video, please let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel so you will not miss another future adventures. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye. Have a nice day.